A reading from Attar, Bird Parliament. And go alone I could and plead your cause, alone for all, but by the eternal laws. Yourselves by toil and travel of your own must for your old delinquency atone. Were you indeed not blinded by the curse of self-exile that still grows worse and worse? Yourselves would know that, though you see him not, he is with you this moment, on this spot. Your Lord through all forgetfulness and crime, here, there, and everywhere, and through all time. But as a father whom some wayward child by sinful self-will has unreconciled, waits till the sullen reprobate at cost of long repentance should regain the lost. Therefore, yourselves to see as you are seen, yourselves must bridge the gulf you made between. By such a search and travel to be gone, up to the mighty mountain calf whereon hinges the world, and round about whose knees into one ocean mingle the seven seas, in whose impenetrable forest folds of light and dark Simurgh his presence holds. Not to be reached, if to be reached at all, but by a road the stoutest might appall, of travel not of days or months but years, lifelong perhaps, of dangers, doubts and fears, as yet unheard of, sweat of blood and brain, interminable, often all in vain, and if successful, no return again. A road whose very preparation scared the traveller who yet must be prepared, who then this travel to result would bring, needs both a lion's heart beneath the wing, and even more a spirit purified of worldly passion, malice, lust and pride, yea, even of worldly wisdom which grows dim and dark the nearer it approaches him, who to the spirit's eye alone revealed by sacrifice of wisdom's self unsealed, without which none who reached the place could bear to look upon the glory dwelling there.